If you're like me, it's been very frustrating in the last 12 months to open banking statements and see your IRA or your 401k eroding and losing money. Did you know that you can buy real estate within your IRA? You absolutely can. It's called a self-directed IRA. And I direct you to do more homework and look into a company called Equity Trust. Equity Trust is a facilitator of individuals that like to use that money, take custody of that money to purchase and sell real estate within their IRA. It's called a self-directed IRA. Naturally, there's rules and there's guidelines, and you are going to need a qualified intermediary to help you with that. So dig deeper, take a look. If this is something you're interested in doing, understand the rules of the road, consult with your CPA and your financial planner and attorney to make sure this is right for you. But you do have options when it comes to your 401k or your IRA. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.